Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another update for Prosperity Gem Ventures. So if you're unsure what this is, it's Prosperity Gem Mining, now Prosperity Gem Ventures, the DeFi changer. So before we get any further, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So PGV now, I should be calling it, have done quite a few new updates. There's a new site tutorial if you want to know how to actually invest. I do have a referral link down below. And then again, here we can see the new key pointers. Project key pointers for sustainability. So this is how the project can generate revenue. Number one, trading bot. Prosperity Gem Ventures utilizes a trading bot being 7 days a week, which allows for consistent gains. There's also LP staking, liquidity staking. This staking earns rewards, which is then added into our smart contract for consistent growth. Number three, sustainability. As our generated PGV then pumps those gains into our contract anytime the contract balance drops below 25% of total deposits. This helps keep the protocol sustainable. And here we can see the current contract, there's 2.4 million USDT with a total deposit of 9.7 million. Again, this is just on the Binance Smart Chain. They are also on Tron Network, and I believe they're adding Polygon soon. But we're closing in on a Binance alone of 10 million USDT in deposits, which is absolutely insane. So I only had a $100 deposit. This is the lowest. It is in USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you want to invest, you need to convert, anything into USDT. You need a little bit of BNB for gas. Then of course you do just enter a deposit here. So you can see with my deposit, I'm earning, I believe now it's up to 2% per day. I've been earning a flat 2% per day, but I guess that's just for the future if they need to decrease it. And I currently have at 13.99 USDT in current rewards. The minimum withdrawal is 50 USDT. So remember, if you're looking to invest and only put in the minimum of 100, you will need to wait 25 days to earn that 50 USDT back before you can withdraw the profits. So if you are looking to take out profits more regularly, you would need to put in a higher amount. For example, if you put in 1000 USDT, that'd be earning you 20 per day. So you would be able to do a withdrawal every 2.5 days. Also in the contract, you can get your full deposit back. At the bottom of the question here, we can see contact us for any questions and for deposit withdrawals, please fill out the form below. Once you have submitted the form, our support team will respond in 24 to 48 hours, excluding weekends. If you are requesting a full deposit refund, please provide us with the contract you wish to receive your full deposit refund from, along with the wallet address you used to deposit into our contract. So you do your name, email, write a question in the box below. If you're requesting a full deposit refund, please provide us with the contract you wish to receive your deposit from, alongside with the wallet. So to stop people just constantly getting their deposits back, there is a new thing they did launch in the Discord where you need to have your deposit in the contract for 15 days. So bear that in mind. If you are investing, you need to at least have your deposit in for 15 days before you can get your deposit back. So that's just basically to your risk assessment. Just remember that you will need to at least be in the contract for 15 days, but then you can get your full deposit back without any fees. And then again, in those 15 days, you would have been earning 2% per day. So you'd be at a 30% profit and you can just get your initial back, which is very, very nice. So that was the dashboard. There also is merchandise if you guys want to pick up any Prosperity Gem Ventures gear. If this goes to the moon, then I will actually be purchasing. I'll get a full gear for you guys. Also, NFTs is coming soon. As we can see, I don't think the NFT page is up yet, but we will be seeing that soon. And then the key point is here, which is new. So you can see the contract again. So Binance Smart Chain contract is fully immutable. You can see the 2.4 million USDT in there. And all of the token transaction. We've got reinvest in deposits, payouts, etc. Everything is going on. But now we'll see in the Discord and look for other updates. So there was an announcement yesterday. Well, also, I'll go back until I last covered it. So they, of course, updated the domains. So you can use prosperitygemventures.com, .io, and .net. That just takes you to a homepage here where you can go from a Binance Smart Chain, a Tron, and a Polygon. So if we actually open up Tron, I'm not sure if I will be able to see the total deposits unless I connect a wallet. But if you look into the Tron contract, we can see that there is 700,000 USDT in there. And the Polygon one, I don't think is actually live yet. But at least they have a full ecosystem homepage. We'll look at that shortly. But in the Discord, they did that. Then there was a new update on trading contracts. And then again, if you do a deposit form, please message again, basically. And then there are site tutorial videos up on how to deposit if you guys need any extra help. They're in the Discord under site training, or will be in the Discord there. Then we had an update. They changed the colors so we can see the Binance Smart Chain was amber, Tron was red, and Polygon will be purple. So mine is actually green, but I think if I refresh with new cash, it might update. Still green, but I quite like the green anyway. Next up, happy Friday. Good morning and happy Friday to everyone. Just want a quick announcement to everyone of what's being done today. Number one, we'll be pumping more funds into our Tron contract to bring the contract balance back up to 25% of total deposits. Number two, more funds going into their trading account. And number three, we'll be starting up liquidity staking. Number four, which I already had touched on, we'll be going through all support messages. Anyone who requested a refund will receive, as long as it has been 15 days since their first deposit. We will now be checking each refund request to make sure. Please remember you have to wait 15 days from the time of your first deposit before you can request a full deposit refund. Because this was something I thought maybe people would abuse. If you deposited and then instantly got a refund but earned referral earnings, people could abuse that. But now you have to be in the contract for 15 days. So basically like anybody else. Now let's have a look at the Prosperity Gem Adventures homepage here. So Power PGM is a project created for the people to weed out Ponzinomics by creating real sustainable yields through bot trading, and LP staking. With our technology, we believe we can create a long-term sustainable project. It's a DeFi project that operates through a smart contract. Their mission is a long, sustainable product. So here we can see the ecosystem. Weekly withdrawals with no guarantees. We believe bot trading and liquidity staking can create a long-term project. Here, liquidity staking through PancakeSwap and many other decentralized exchanges is one of the key factors in sustaining their protocol. Then we have trading. There's the bot trading that has an amazing win rate. Also, all of those trading results are in the Discord, which is really nice. We can see 100% full deposit refund after 15 days. No need to worry about having your funds locked. Strong community and teams. And the creator of this is fully doxed. It's Manny. You can see his videos. He's a YouTuber. Everything is covered there. So here we have all the Binance Smart Chain details, Tron details, and join the community. But yeah, that's my update on Prosperity Gem Ventures. Again, I will keep you guys up to date. I probably will be also upping my initial deposit because it was only pretty small. Again, I got in really early, but they've been proven. These rewards have been sustainable. And it's been going pretty well, so I may as well up the ante. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you all did enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video.